Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Jeremiah Jocelyn, Project Manager with America's Home Place in Oxford, Alabama. Today I'm on site looking at a project that we have going, which is a Jillian house plan. Now, one of the things that's wonderful about America's Home Place is you can customize the plans. Now, if you look behind me here, we've been able to add an entire garage to accommodate our clients' needs because the house was a good sized home, but it didn't offer them what they wanted as far as moving space and parking space. And so we added a garage to make them happy. Now, if you have a plan that you're looking at, but it doesn't quite fit what you're looking for, reach out to us and give us the opportunity to look at how we can customize that plan to meet your needs. Go to our website, leave your information, reach out to us, and see how we can help you reach your dream when it comes to a new home. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you can get more videos just like this one. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.